Hello guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to do a quick job here, replace the rear brake pads. So for this job I'm going to be using a number 12, number 8, this is a number 6. Some other things, to clean up the brake pads, like water with detergent. This is to clean carburetors, it's very good, to remove all the debris, all the black dirt that is right inside the piston before you slide it. A torque wrench, a few brushes, to clean it up. The pads, I decided to buy the genuine from Honda. This is the number, the part number. And the reason is because, these brake pads, they lasted quite a long mileage, approximately 25,000 kilometers, which is quite a lot. And the Nissin brand coupled with this Nissin caliper, it does a very good job, so if your team is winning, there it is. First of all, I'm going to loosen this bolt, and then I'm going to remove those two. Get the pads out, grease this bolt, and this bolt, and put it back. So guys, the first thing is to break the strength before you remove the other ones. Otherwise it will be difficult for you to do it. So guys, just reminding you that if you are just going to replace the pads, all you need to do is to remove this bolt here, and you can just slide it up, and then you remove this bolt, and then you slide it up and replace the pads. But the reason why I'm removing the whole thing is because I want to clean up the whole system, make sure that the pistons are clean and moving properly. And I suggest you, when you do your maintenance, you should do this way as well. So don't forget to remove this here. This is the ABS, right? After you just match it with this hole here, So you see how the grease gets dry, There it is. Once you remove those two bolts, you can remove the caliper, And let me take the pads out. So here's the bolt that holds the caliper, Don't forget that you have like a O-ring on the tip here, quite worn out, Still a bit remaining, but this one is quite almost nothing. Just comparing, Just comparing the old one and the new one. First, clean up this properly before you move the piston back in order to fit the new pads, So quite dirty, So now you leave a few minutes, in order for all the dirt to dissolve. So it's important to mention that this carburetor cleaner doesn't damage the rubber, If you want to do like a better job, you can remove the wheel and remove this bit here, shiny, and place it back. This is water with detergent, just to remove the product. So, as you can see, everything's shining, Inside the caliper, Everything clean, perfectly. The piston, no dirt here, so you can slide it if you clean up properly, you can slide with your hands. Yeah? So now we are going to use silicone grease, yeah, and place on these 3 bolts. This one has Loctite on the tip, so I'm not gonna use more. Yeah. So let's put like some grease on this. So let's grab the pads, the new ones. The original Nissan Honda, yeah, comes with this metal plate. So if you buy one not from another brand, you probably won't have it. So you can keep from your original one, yeah. It does have like some ceramic on the back here. So make sure you match the holes are aligned, yeah, on this clip here. So make sure everything is aligned, yeah. So you see, everything is aligned, yeah. You have to make sure that this bit here is right aligned with the clip, yeah. So everything is okay. So let's place the screws and tighten them with the right torque. Let's place, make sure that everything's matched, and then you place the screws back, yeah? Then just get the torque wrench and tighten up to the level of torque indicated in the manual, yeah? This bolt here and this one goes up to 22 Newton meters of torque, and this one 17, yeah? So now you make sure everything is firm, yeah? Don't forget to put back the ABS, right? Now I have another 20,000, 25,000 kilometers remaining on this one. Look at the difference, yeah? This is the old one. Foot. And then, before you leave for a ride, just put on the center stand, spin the wheel, and make sure that everything is okay, yeah? So, job done. Everything cleaned up for another, let's say, 10,000 kilometers. And now I have like a brake pad for another 25,000, yeah? I hope I managed to give you some tips on how to change your brake pads on the Africa Twin. Any questions, please let me know on the comments below. I'll be more than pleased to answer. And I wish you all the best, yeah?